Facebook Live in a group works in a similar way to Facebook Live on a personal profile or a Facebook page. The main difference is that Facebook Live in a group allows a group of people to broadcast a live video to the members of the group. To go live in a group member needs to open the group page and click on the live button at the top of the group page. Then they can add the description of the live video and select the audience they want to broadcast to, such as the entire group or specific members. They can also add a custom thumbnail or choose a frame from the video. Once they click on Go Live, the video stream will begin. Group members who are online will receive a notification that the group is live and can join the broadcast by commenting and reacting to the live. The video will remain available for viewing on the group page after the live broadcast has ended. Facebook Live in a group can be used for various purposes, such as hosting a Q&A session, discussing a topic of interest, or showcasing a product or service. It allows for a more interactive and engaging experience between group members and can help strengthen the sense of community within the group.